Focus! It's not focusing. It's not cooperating with me. There we go. Apple Pencil. Should I just leave the sound on in the video? You hear me speaking over this? It says Apple Pencil. That's the back of the Apple Pencil box. See? Bam! Those are the iPads that are supported. All the labels and stuff. Another Apple Pencil. See, Apple Pencil. Oh, it's not focusing. I see why unboxers have a struggle with the focus camera. Oh my. Apple Pencil. So let's start the unboxing. Bam. It says designed in Apple in California. That was the pull tab. If it would focus, that was the pull tab. See, here's all the paperwork. Here's the pencil in all its glory. Apple Pencil. Take out the pencil. Take out the pencil. Here's a pencil. It says, Is this what the YouTubers do, right? They like have it and then they put their hand in the background. Oh, I saw YouTubers do that and it worked. Oh, there we go. Here's all the paperwork. So, it says Apple Pencil. Shows you how to connect it. Here's all the, yeah. And to connect the Apple Pencil, you go, oh, fail. Bam. And then the pencil's connected. Bam. Apple Pencil re-unboxing over.